Hi, I'm Christine here at Balanced Body, and today I want to show you all the cool features of the Balanced Body trapeze table, also known as the Cadillac. So starting off, you'll notice the size of it. We have this stainless steel canopy over the top. Now, the great part of that is you have all these eye bolts, different attachment points for the springs that really encompass the Pilates work. So those springs, we have 12 springs that come with the whole set. You have 2 of the short yellow springs you'll see here. We also have 2 of the long yellow springs you'll see on the outside, 2 short blue springs, 2 long purple springs, 2 short red springs, and then you actually have 2 black springs on the trapeze here. And this has a padded strap with it. So that offers a lot of different angles of pull and a lot of different points of resistance and levels of resistance. In addition to that, you have the cotton loops covered with the lamb's wool fuzzies. This is for some of the overhead and inverted work that you can do with the trapeze table. Now, going down on this side first, you'll see the push-through bar, okay? Aluminum alloy, and you'll see there's 3 levels of height, 3 holes. Now that can be moved with these adjustment points here on either side. And above that, to secure your push-through bar, we have the safety strap, and it has a carabiner close at the top. So that will be used to support that push-through bar when it's sprung-loaded. Going over to this side, we have another bar, but not the push-through. You'll see it glides up and down the canopy, and we have one overhead that glides horizontally. So the horizontal bar, the vertical bar. And those have different eye bolts as well, different points of pull for those springs. Then the maple bar, you'll see here, has the eye bolts that attach to the springs. So that can be used for the roll down work. Going down to the platform, you'll see the belly strap. That's great for positioning and anchoring in certain movements on the trapeze table. It also comes with 2 sets of cuffs. You'll see thigh cuffs as well as ankle cuffs with Velcro closure and the D-ring. So that can attach to any of the springs for some of the leg work that you want isolated to different joints of the body, different points of the limbs. You will also get with this the single cotton loops. That, in addition to the cuffs, goes with the springs for some of that resistance work, your leg work, supine, side lying, even the arm work. Lastly, coming around to this end, we have this base. Now, this is a supported wood base that you can place a head support on if you're doing, say, your supine leg work or footwork with the push-through bar spring-loaded. So you have that added length, maybe a taller person, maybe someone that has some limited flexibility in their hamstrings. So that added in, but see how it slides right back in and out of the way. I think that covers it all. So here again is your Balanced Body trapeze table and Cadillac tour.